Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 29, 2023. 3-star Sudoku. 8th row, column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 can form here. Column D, column F, column I, column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 can form here. Column C, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 can form here. 5th row and 7th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 can form here. Column E, column F and second row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 can form here. Second row and fourth row we have 3. Column J also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 can form here. Column F and 10th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of these cells. We can form later. Column B we have 6. 8th row and 10th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 7th grade we have 3. Column I, column J we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. The 9th row 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column I we have 4. So 4 can't come this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 10th row we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column H we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. The 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 9. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 7th grade, 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 9, 7. 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 9. Column E, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column E and 5th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column F, column G we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column G we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in any one of these cells. Sorry. Column G we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 4th also we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. 3rd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 2. Column C, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining. 3rd row, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 6th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. then 4 is here. Fourth row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9, it will come in one of these cells, we'll confirm later. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8, it will come in one of these cells, we'll confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Fourth row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then third grade, only one number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column C, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Fifth row, we have 8, so it can't come in these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 8, so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column G, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fifth row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. Column F, only one number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 7th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column D, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column D, 5th row and 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 4, 4 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.